saddlebag organizer. I just picked it up. Open it up. And also the rider backrest organizer. I like wearing hoodies when I ride, and my wife loves to put her cell phone right in my hoodie in the back. Not that I mind it, but I prefer that she actually puts her cell phone in the back. Looks like this should just fit right over the seat. The kit part number is actually included below, but here's what it looks like. Seems pretty nice. There's a foam that comes out. So this just fits right over the seat. These are zipped. So you can put her phone or wallet, purse. Okay, just to demonstrate, I have a Samsung Note 8. It does fit in here nicely. You can zip it up. The Note 8 is pretty big, so I'm sure it's equivalent to the iPhones, the bigger ones. Or you can put it in a pocket in the front, or even this. So it's pretty nice. I also bought the saddlebag organizer. I've been putting my registration and insurance paperwork in there, and it's flying all over the place. I'll put it on the bottom of the description also. Nice. Comes in two. Looks like one size. One side has some netting area. The other is just pockets, zip pockets. This one has two zips. Okay. Let's take. Okay, so first we're going to do the right side of the bag. Obviously, these are the ones that come off. Take this out. It looks like this just slips right in. Here's what it looks like on the right side of the bag. You got the nets. I put my flashlight in there. My registration's in the pocket now. It contours against that side pretty well. Let's look at what it looks like on the right. Here's what it looks like on the right side. You got the zipper pockets. It's nicely done right here. Zip, extra pocket here. Zip over here. I have my gloves in there. Also has a zip and then some slots in the back. You can put more stuff. One thing I did notice is that these used to click when they tighten. They don't click anymore. Not a big deal, but just so you know. Okay, just to show you the riding position, what happens when the bag is installed. She's still able to grab her cell phone, grab the phone, and then pull it out, right? So I'm riding like this. She can still grab her phone. There's still some room here, but not much. Especially if I lean back, lean forward more, and give her some more room. Right. If I lean back, it's going to press against. She's got the full riding jacket just to demonstrate how much space there is.